Si Khalil is the ideal leading man.
Wow.
Finally, nagkaroon na ako ng leading man na maayos.
Sinagot na ni David Licauco ang naging pahayag ni Barbie Forteza kamakailan, kung saan sinabi ng aktres na masaya siya dahil finally, nagkaroon na siya ng leading man na maayos sa katauhan ni Khalil Ramos, na naging kontrobersyal at maaaring masakit pakinggan para sa ilan sa mga naging leading man niya sa mga nakalipas na taon. Ano kaya ang masasabi ni David Licauco bilang isa sa pinakakilala at pinakamatunog na naging leading man ni Barbie? Panoorin ang video.
Si Khalil is the ideal leading man.
Wow.
Finally, nagkaroon na ako ng leading man na maayos. Brilliant actor. Ibabalik ko sa kanya, he is also an actor's actor. I love working with actors who also love what they do, who understand what they're doing, why they're here, and who is just as hungry, diba? To do good, to be good. Yung napaka-professional, napaka-gentleman, lagi kong sinasabi kay Gabi na oo, at maraming salamat. Oo, goals talaga sila.
Sana all.
Oo, at napaka-tino, napaka-dissenting lalaki.
Kasama mo rin siya sa set?
Sa Honor Thy Mother,
Honor Thy
Diyos
Mother.
ko, nalilito na kami kung ano yung ginagawa na.
Last na lang ako, Barbie.
Kasi recently si Barbie nagsalita siya about na yung current leading man niya is the best one she had. Anong comment mo about it?
Talaga? Sinabi niya yan? well, ako, I'm just really grateful for the 3 years na magkasama kami. I think marami kaming pinagdaanan, marami kaming shows na ginawa, endorsements, we traveled together, we worked together. So I'm just really grateful sa partnership namin. I have nothing but praises to her dahil napakagaling yung actress. So I wish her well. I wish her well.
Okay.